Yeah, I can't get away. See, there's no escape. See what you done to me. I'm not the same old me. You took away everything, and now you're my everything.
Escrow B.
It's your boy 32, man. We are back with another one. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. We want to get engagement with y'all, okay? But I've been showing y'all my family for a while. That's like my number 2 pillar. Number 1 is faith, of course. But now it's time to transition over to finance. So for me, I didn't really grow up rich or wealthy, you know what I'm saying? We didn't have financial conversations at the dinner table, and finance was like, I knew about money, but I didn't really have any knowledge on it. Like, you know what I'm saying? I remember it wasn't until like my junior year in SLU, I went to an all-boy high school. I was taking AP Econ, and I first learned about certificate of deposits and mutual funds and inflation and all those different, economic terms that helped me later understand in life finances, right? And I eventually got, hooked up with the chief financial officer, Mr. Comos, and he taught me a lot in that 3-year span from my junior year, senior year, and my freshman year in college. But all of the which he taught me really didn't manifest itself until I got out of, my second year in college. I dropped out, and I kind of went through life, and I struggled a little bit, living paycheck to paycheck. I lived with my mom in her back room. I lived with my goddad in his basement, and I was just irresponsible with money, for 7 years. But it seemed like once I started dabbling in Forex, which you can see at the bottom, I started getting a little bit of an understanding of just how in control of my finances I could be, how in control of my life I can be if I just took control over my finances. So since then, I've opened up an IRA account. I have a high yield saving account. I'm snowballing my debt. I'm saving more money to invest. I'm teaching my daughter how to invest. I'm having those conversations at dinner where we're making learning about financial literacy a game. So stay tuned for more financial content with the Kingdom of Dreams and the Royal Family, because it is time, y'all. It is time. Let's elevate. I'm in my little baby up trading this morning, man.
Hello.
She is spelling bee champion, as y'all seen. And now we getting our finances in, man. She over here teaching me how to trade. I ain't teaching her. She teaching me, y'all.
Why is there always sparkles on you?
You always got glitter. I'm finna say, what we doing right now?
We winning.
We winning?
Yeah.
How we winning? Tell me.
Because the red is still under a red line, and that's how we want to keep it, or else we're gonna lose.
Why you talking like a baby?
I like talking like this.
Yeah, we took a sale on quick options, you know what I'm saying? Got about 45 seconds left.
Daddy, why is it orange?
It's red, but I mean, it do kind of show orange on the camera. Yeah, we just need this red bar to stay below this red line, as y'all can see there. We should be good, y'all. We got 20 seconds left. Let's see how we rocking, y'all. Let's see how we rocking. We gonna win, boo?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You think this is a good trade?
Yeah.
Because at first you told me why I do that. You said, why did I stop buying? But I seen something in the market, man. But yeah, man, we doing our thug this naive. You know what I'm
How many
saying?
more seconds?
We won already.
Oh, yay! About to have another one. How many more seconds?
Back in it, we got 1 minute and 34 seconds on the top one, and then the one below that one. What's up, man? It's your boy 32 Kingdom of Dreams and the Royal Family. We here with Stink live and direct, and we are creating a game right now. Yes, sir. In the process, in the making. So y'all have seen her go over these words. Invest.
Save, spend, donate.
Yes, sir. So what is donate?
It means that you give somebody something and then you don't get anything in return.
Because you're not looking for nothing in return. It's like charity, right?
Yeah.
There we go.
I'm trying to help people.
All right, so as we're building out these pieces, right, this is just a prototype. But what I'm actually finna do is I'm finna have her take a card and put something under each category. And this is how we're gonna build our vocabulary. All right? In the making. All right, so Stinky Butt got her cards together. So we got our categories: currency and money. Boom, checks, online money, electronic payments, coins,
my daddy and
dollar bills, and cards. You dig? And then, yeah.
We gotta invest.
Invest. Cause what you do invest in? What you do?
You put your money
Uh-huh.
into something
Yeah.
and it grows like money.
No, it grows like...
No, it
Well, read your writing, girl.
grows like a plant.
Alright, come on. Then what you can put your money into?
An investment account.
Okay, what can you invest in? Talk that talk.
Trade currency.
And what else? I wrote that one, y'all.
Education.
There we go. Okay. What else?
Tutor.
Okay, what else?
Business.
Okay, what else?
Collectible.
Okay, what else?
Real estate.
Okay, real estate, girl. She did that real estate. She
And
did. Y'all see how
last
she broke
one?
that down. And
Dreams.
you better know it. What else can you do with that money, though? You know what I'm saying? As you know, this right here, this top row, this is all the things you can do with money right there. So with money, you can invest, right? That's what we just did for y'all. What else can you do?
You can save.
All right, but what you do? What is saving, though? Come on, talk to me.
You have money and keep it.
Where you keep it at?
Saving account.
Okay, but for what, though?
Like a trip
Okay, a trip where?
to Hawaii.
Ooh, that sounds like a good trip. I want to save for that trip. And then what else can you save for?
New furniture.
Hey, she picked that out, y'all. I promise you, she picked it out. That wasn't me. And then what else? Because you said you want to fix the door. So I said maintenance work. My bad. I stole her joy, y'all. And what else?
New house.
Yeah, that's what we saving for right now. And then what's the last one?
Saving gold.
Dang. She knocked me over, y'all. She knocked me over, y'all. All right, so what else can you do with money, man? We got to invest. We got to save.
You can spend.
Okay, but what is spending, bro? What is it? I don't know what it is.
Give away and get something back.
Oh, okay. Well, so I can spend on what?
A debit card.
Okay, but where I put my money at?
Checking account.
Okay. And what else can I spend on?
A credit card.
Talk to me. But what am I spending these things on, though?
Like a Miami trip.
Okay, I like your trips, girl. And what else?
Toys.
Yes.
Books.
At the book fair, because that's what she did last Friday. All right, so we can invest money, save money, spend money. What else can we do, though, boo?
We can donate.
Okay, so what's donate? Because I don't know what that is either.
You can give somebody money and don't expect something in return.
That's crazy. I like that. Okay, so what else can you donate to, though?
Charity fund.
Okay, I like that. What else can you donate, though?
Food.
Okay, and what else?
Electronics. Clothes.
Duh.
Shoes. And caring time.
Not just time, y'all, but caring time. Come on now. Come on now. Now this how we building up our vocab, right? This how we building up our vocab.
Made by me.
Made by
Me.
Made by Stinky. I know what it is.